When you look at a professionally edited image, you shouldn't notice the edit at all. The text should appear so natural that it feels like it was part of the original design from the very beginning. That's the difference between ordinary editing and true professional craftsmanship. Every project starts with careful observation. Before making a single change, we study the entire design in detail. We examine the font style, character structure, spacing, line height, alignment, color balance, shadows, highlights, texture, and every visual element surrounding the text. Understanding the original design is the foundation of creating an edit that blends perfectly. One of the most demanding parts of the process is font matching. Many images use fonts that are uncommon, customized, or modified over time. Instead of relying on quick automated tools, we compare each letter manually, paying close attention to the shape of every curve, the width of every stroke, the spacing between characters, and the overall visual rhythm of the typography. Sometimes the perfect result requires much more than selecting the right font. Individual letters may need subtle adjustments. Character spacing, word spacing, proportions, positioning, and alignment are refined repeatedly until every line looks naturally integrated into the design. These small refinements are often invisible to the eye, yet they are what separate professional quality work from ordinary editing. We also focus on preserving the original appearance of the image. Background textures, lighting, gradients, shadows, reflections, and surrounding details are carefully maintained so that every edited area matches the existing design without creating visual distractions. Our goal is not simply to replace text, but to preserve the overall quality and balance of the artwork. Quality is achieved through patience. Rather than rushing through a project, we inspect every detail multiple times to ensure consistency from beginning to end. Every adjustment is made with precision because even the smallest inconsistency can affect the overall appearance of the image. Professional editing is about respecting the original design while making accurate, seamless improvements. Every image receives the same level of care, regardless of its complexity, because attention to detail is what creates results that look clean, polished, and completely natural. If you need professional Photoshop image text editing completed with exceptional precision, meticulous font matching, and a commitment to visual perfection, we'd be happy to assist you. Thank you for listening. We provide professional Photoshop image text editing services with meticulous attention to detail and a strong commitment to delivering natural, high-quality results.